Hey guys, it's Alicia Handles It, and I'm back with another video. And in this video today, guys, I am doing my little sis. It's her birthday. This is her birthday do, and we're gonna get her together. Look at all that hair. Jeez. So yeah, I'm braiding her down and get her together because, as you guys should know, foundation is always key. You need to make sure your braids are nice and tight, on point, and ready to go. So let's go, handlers. And I would like to say hey to all the new handlers. And if you're new here, my name is Alicia Handles It. And on this channel, what I do is how-tos, tutorials, unboxings, reviews, anything that has to do with beauty, I'm all for it. So if you are willing to learn something, this is the place to be. So hit that subscribe button and make sure you like the video, okay? It helps me in the algorithms, guys. All right, so thank you for all the new subscribers. Thank you for everyone that's showing support on the channel. I really appreciate it, and I hope you guys stick around because this channel is only going to get more fun. I'm still new here, and I'm still working out the nicks and the little lip. Yeah, so you guys stick around, and I hope you guys enjoy the content. All right, so right here, as you guys can see, I use the bold hold to get this cap on. Easy does it. We're not going to spray it down with all this spray and all this extra stuff. We're just going to use the bold hold, get it down, and it sticks really fast. Put your dryer to it, and it's done. Nothing really to it, guys. So keep watching. I'm not going to really talk too much, but I just wanted to say thanks for all the love, and I appreciate it all. Watch and see what you guys can take away from it, because in this tutorial, you'll see how to just throw on a wig really easy as a stylist. All right, so let's go. So I hope my handlers enjoy this how-to video of how to put on a lace wig tutorial. I will leave all the information in the description. My baby girl bought this wig for her birthday, so I'm gonna get all the information from her because honestly this wig is beautiful. So love you guys. See you in the next video. And yeah, happy birthday, baby.